Is your camera on?
It is.
I'm the police chief in Tampa. I'm hoping that you'll just let us go tonight.
Okay, yeah, I'll say, now that you say you look familiar, so, all right.
If you ever need anything, call me.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On November 12th of 2022, Deputy Larry Jacoby of the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office noticed two individuals driving a golf cart without a license tag on the roadway. He immediately initiated a traffic stop.
Old 1050. East Lake Service Road, Woodlands Parkway. It's going to be a golf cart, no tag. Good evening.
How you doing?
Good. I'm Deputy Jacoby of the Sheriff's Office. Stopped you because you driving tag or unregistered vehicle with no tag on it on the roadway.
The passenger is already looking to see if the deputy's camera is on.
Yeah, we went to the club. It was closed, so we went over and picked up some.
Is your camera on?
It is.
Her smile fades as she realizes that there is now evidence of this stop, but that doesn't prevent her from using her position as the police chief for the city of Tampa to get out of a ticket and possible DUI investigation.
I'm the police chief in Tampa.
Oh, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Okay.
I'm hoping that you'll just let us go tonight.
Okay, yeah, I'll say, now that you say you look familiar, so.
Yeah, I'm sure I do.
Okay, so, all right, folks, well, have a good night. Staying over here in East Lake Woodlands?
We live in East Lake Woodlands.
Yes.
Okay.
That's right. The Tampa Police Chief doesn't even live in Tampa.
All right. Well, it's nice to meet you. So, I'm Deputy Jacoby.
Okay.
Same here, my friend.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
All right,
Sorry
take care.
to bother you.
All right, no worries. No worries. Like I say, we have a lot of problem with the golf carting around here. You know, everybody gets out.
No, we don't normally come out.
We
but
never
the club
come
was
out.
closed,
We
so we saw we went
never.
up to the Greek place to get some food.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. All right, then we'll take care. And it was nice meeting you.
All right.
Oh, all right.
If you ever need anything, call me.
If that doesn't sound corrupt, I don't know what does.
Okay.
Serious.
All right. Appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for yours.
Thank you.
So, take care.
All right.
Take care.
Thank you.
Have a good night, folks. Hole 3, get 10-8. Bye.
Have a good night.
You too.
And just like that, the investigation is over, and the city's top-ranking law enforcement officer is given special treatment because of her position. After the video was leaked, the mayor admonished Chief O'Connor's actions and placed her on administrative leave, and Chief O'Connor has just resigned. The silly thing is, this could have all been prevented by not hiring her in the first place, as this was not the first time O'Connor had been involved in a traffic-related incident during her time with the Tampa Police Department. She was previously fired from the Tampa Police Department after she was arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, obstruction, and disorderly intoxication in 1995. However, she was reinstated the following year, even though the incident occurred during her probationary period. The record for the incident has been expunged, but a notice of disciplinary action says that she, quote, became loud and argumentative while in the passenger seat of the stopped car and had to be restrained in a deputy's vehicle, where she had allegedly begun kicking the windows and even punched a deputy in the chest. Her husband, the driver during that incident, was arrested for a DUI. It's unclear if Tampa Police Department will sanction ex-Chief O'Connor, but driving on a roadway without a license is a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. And finally, Pinellas County Sheriff's Deputy Larry Jacoby appears to be still employed, as the agency has yet to comment about his absence of integrity during this encounter. Should the chief have been allowed to resign? What would be an appropriate punishment for Deputy Jacoby? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.